Hello students, class 12. Today we will discuss about chapter 1, the last lesson. It's written by Alphonse Daudet. Means he was a very great writer and he have written in this chapter about the means time period of 1817. When that time means Prussia-Franco war has been taken that time, because by Prussia, France attacked by Ottoman Bismarck and they got victory and they had captured France, and due to two district of France they have captured. And in this chapter taken means the incident of that times when means Prussia have captured France under to them, and they had started their own rules, regulations, and they had started their own language, and they want to ban the language of French. And in this chapter the last lesson means it is the last lesson of a teacher who was teaching there, Mr. Hamel, M. Hamel, who was teaching there, and he had given his last lesson on that day. Okay, let's start where I will tell you summary of this chapter. This chapter started by a student means whose name was Little Franz. Little Franz was means in at the his way for coming to school that time, and he was late, and he have feared much more about it. Means when he will reach the school, he will be punished by his teacher M. Hamel. And when he reached the town hall, there a bulletin board hang there, and on that bulletin board he had seen means on that bulletin board written that French language means going to stop and it's going to discontinue from that time. And because due to bulletin board have written that time very sad news, so he also become very surprised means why people gathered there. And after that when he reached school, he become surprised because school atmosphere become very silent and it seems like Sunday morning. Means students, means on Sunday in school have very peacefulness and quietness. Means students and children's voice not coming from the school, desks voice not coming, everything. Means it seems just like Sunday morning. When he reached there, then means he had opened means door and he had seen in his class his teacher M. Hamel had came on that day, and he was on his special get-up on that day because he has wear occasion dress on that day. Okay, and whatever he was wearing on occasions and special days, he had wear on that day that dress. And some poor people's villagers also came and they also sat back benches. Villagers, some old persons had been. Then he reached entered in class. Means even punishment, even means angerness of M. Hamel, means he got that no one had means being anger on him, and he entered in class silently. And then M. Hamel also means looked like changed behavior. Okay, and whatever homework he had given to him about the participles, means M. Hamel had given to French. French had not done because he don't know ABC about the participles. Okay, then means when M. Hamel had ignored the homework, then little Franz become means fresh and realized some happiness inside himself. And then he went there and sat down. study on that day, and he had taught means those peoples means about the importance of French language. What is the importance of French language? Because from that day that language going to close. Okay, means little French realize on that day means whatever time passed, he has lost his time because he has not means taken seriously on the running days whenever that language was running, and he had not care on that. So, and then means whatever happened at last, Mr. Means M. Hamel about the participle when he guessed means teacher had not cared on that because that day was means very devotional days and very emotional days for the teacher M. Hamel. And then overall the chapter means the story depicts the pathos of the whole situation about how people feel when they don't learn this own language, and it tells us about that the significance of one's language in one's life, what is importance. Okay, and what is importance of language in one's life for the every existence of a race, and how important it is to safeguard it. Okay, so means whatever time is running, we have to care on that. Means little French if had cared running time, then he also can learn the French language, but he had not taken seriously. Okay, means it is the overall of the chapter. We have to care about it, whatever running, and we have to take care and take the subject seriously. Okay, thanks.